friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable paid membership label in Instagram. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Instagram, then press on your profile icon, press on three lines top and side corner, press on setting, press on business, press on branded content. You can see here paid membership label. Manually approve content creator. If you are disable or turn off this option, you should enable or turn on this option. That's it guys. So in this way you enable paid membership label in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.